Today I'd like to share with you the one thing I wish I'd known before I first started investing in property. Hi, my name is Tony Law from Your First Four Houses, and I teach people how to build a small property portfolio that generates a great income for them so they can give up the day job if they wish, because they're now financially free. If this is your first time here, be sure to subscribe to the channel and click that bell notification icon so you don't miss out on any of the free content that I give you each and every week. So there's one thing I wish I'd known before I first started getting out there and investing in property, and that is the fact that there were people out there who are really happy to give you either a sizable discount on the property or be flexible in the way that you actually construct the deal. Now, these are called motivated sellers, and they could be motivated for really fantastically good reasons, as well as, sadly, really negative reasons as well. And if I'd have known this when I first started going out there, I would have been able to find fantastic opportunities, fantastic deals. But instead, what I was doing was I was doing what everybody else does, which means I was going on to Rightmove, onto Zoopla, and I was looking for the property, rather than spending a percentage of my time looking for the motivated sellers. Now, as I say, sellers can be motivated for really good reasons as well as, sadly, very negative reasons. And my strong suggestion for you is that rather than doing what everybody else does, trying to find the property, instead of that, spend at least some of your time, some of your effort, some of your energy on focusing on where there are truly motivated sellers. Look for properties that have been on the market for some considerable time. Try to connect with those sellers. Get automated in the way that you do this. Start sending these people letters. Start to put marketing material out there to attract sellers to actually contact you. There are some fantastic opportunities out there that you can do right now if you're speaking to the right type of seller. So if a great property comes on the market and it's only been on there for a week, is that seller going to be particularly motivated to do a great deal with you? Probably not. What about if that property's been on the market for well over a year and they've not had any offers, or indeed maybe even any viewings for the past few months? Might they be more open to the idea of either a discount or flexibility in the way that you construct the deal? So my message to you today is really simple. Yes, of course, look for the deals. Let's of course look on the Rightmove, Zoopla, do all the stuff that everybody else does. Speak to agents, do all those connections, do all of that. But in addition to doing that, also focus some of your effort, some of your energy, some of your time, some of your marketing expenses on looking for truly motivated sellers. If you do that, I promise you, you will do some fantastic deals and potentially make a lot of sellers very happy in the way that you construct the deal. I've done that many, many times before, and I know you can do it too. You've just got to adjust your focus. If you would like a list of the 50 steps that you need to take before buying that next investment property, simply click on the link here or in the description box below and I'll send it straight out to you.